Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda.
I'm Rashawn.
And this is our mother, Laverne. She
Hello.
was in my hair video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it in the cards. My mom locks my hair. But this is her debut in the kitchen with us. So I've been disturbed. Because I've seen people advertising rice and peas and it's not authentic. Look, we all have the right to, I don't want to say the right, but we all allow each other the privilege to make foods from different cultures. But I think if it's not authentic, you should say, this is my spin on it. This is a version. This is not the main thing.
But
so
don't call it Jamaican style rice and peas.
Yeah.
If it's not
Call it something
authentic,
else.
it has to be the real thing from Jamaicans. Sorry.
Jamaicans.
There you go.
So if you didn't know, mommy here is full Jamaican. And we always say half Jamaican, which is weird. We're half Jamaican. So we grew up eating Jamaican food. And honestly, I feel like there's still a lot of things I'm learning how to make that are Jamaican.
Yes.
So this is a little bit of a tutorial for us as well. So she's going to be walking us through how to make authentic Jamaican rice and peas. And I hope you guys enjoy this video because it's really a treat. Let's get into it.
Let's get to it. All right. So, mi madre, we got the ingredients right here to the side. We ain't got a lot, right? It's like 6 ingredients, but it's gonna be fire, right?
So
and she's gonna walk you through it. So, all right. So here we have
some organic dark red kidney beans.
Oh, you got the Whole Foods brand. And then this is essential. Without this, it will not work.
It's not gonna be right.
We need you need the Thai kitchen. You can do the light oil, the regular coconut milk. We're gonna use the whole thing.
Yes, we're gonna use the whole thing. If you're old school and you want to put in the work, you can buy a whole coconut
and make your own.
And cut it up and juice it, and that's gonna be the best.
And
rice
that's
and
like
peas.
authentic.
Yeah,
this
but
is
that's
just
a lot of work. This is
Yeah.
this is a shorter recipe. I guess.
And we also have some thyme.
Yes.
You gotta have the fresh thyme still on. You know what I'm saying? On the stems.
Of course, we have salt. We have scallion or green onions, however you want to call it, and we have some jasmine rice.
We also have some country crock vegan butter. You'll need that essential. These are the essentials, and then of course water.
Of course, filtered water.
Okay, Mom. So say you're like me. I'm embarrassingly have never made rice and peas myself. So
I failed you, my daughter.
You failed me. We're making up for it today. So if like me, like some people out there, they don't know how to make this, what are the steps? Walk us through it.
It is very simple, actually. You are going to cook the rice just like you would any other rice. So we need 3 cups of coconut milk and water. So I'm just going to measure this out.
3 cups coconut milk, 3 cups water.
No. Oh no, that'll be for more. But I'm saying we need 3 cups of fluid all together. So it's going to be a mixture depending on your taste.
Like a cup and a half coconut milk, cup and a half water. I got you. So these are half cup measurements that Mom has here. So this should be super easy if you're also using a half cup. Okay, so how many cups of coconut milk is in there right now?
That's 2.
So we got 2 cups of coconut milk, so we're going to do 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
So do you like yours to have more of the coconut milk flavor than the water?
I do. So, I mean, you can use all 3 cups of coconut milk if you like. It'll still turn out delicious, but if this is new to you, you may want to start not so rich, and we are using the light coconut milk.
Yeah.
Also.
And yeah, a lot of times too, if you get the canned ones, it's like really thick inside, like the coconut milk. Does that mean it went bad, or that's just how it comes?
It's because it depends on. This is coconut milk. The ones in the can are usually cream, so they end up being thicker, more sugar.
Okay.
This one is the best one that I found so far to make it without doing it the original way of juicing.
Okay, I gotcha.
So I'm gonna put around a quarter cup of
butter.
margarine butter in here, sorry. And then a healthy dash of salt.
What temperature do we have this on?
Well, right now we have it on high because we need to bring it to a boil. Then we're gonna add the rice and the beans and then turn it down to around 2. Okay? So
we're sprinkling
a healthy
some salt.
dash.
Healthy dash of salt.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our 2 cups of jasmine rice. The water and coconut started to boil up, so it's just that time. And then you can see it's stirring there. We're just going to go ahead and just mix this all together. We're going to turn this down just for a moment while I go ahead and add the thyme and the scallion.
Because Mommy can like really talk. Like she can talk to anyone too.
That's a fact.
Oh, thank you, darling.
We give these a nice rinse. Always wash your edges.
Yes, sir. Alright, a rinse and a shake. And then I'm not gonna use
So
all.
you're actually
Maybe
using the ends.
Yeah, I'm gonna start from the ends, but you know, you always cut that portion off there.
Oh, I thought you were using
and then
that.
oh no, and then I'm just gonna do a little chop like that. I don't need more than this because you don't want it to overwhelm.
So are you taking the scallions out once the rice is done, or they stay in
It stays in there. It stays in there. Okay. Now I'm going to add a few sprigs of thyme. My mother once said that almost every Jamaican dish has thyme in it. So I'm going to take some of the leaves off and just drop the entire stem in there. And I'm going to do another one. Alright, so that's going to be really flavorful. And then we're just going to give it another toss. And then after that, we are leaving it alone.
How long do we leave it?
This is going to be maybe around 25 minutes. It's a little thicker than regular rice, so it doesn't cook as quick. So I have this on too for around 25 minutes.
Okay, so I feel like this video feels really special to me because this is like the part of food that I love, where it's just like a part of your family tradition. And to like, also I feel like living in America, we haven't gotten to explore our Jamaican culture as much as I would like. Like, it doesn't feel as equal a part of me as my American culture, and a lot of times I kind of forget it, to be honest, especially living here. Well, we've never been to Jamaica either, so for me it's like, it makes it hard for me to feel like I have a claim on Jamaicanness because we haven't spent time there.
Once your dreadlocks get to a certain
yeah.
once your locks start dropping, I'm telling you.
And it's in your blood. You were Jamaican, whether you like it or not. It's a part, it's half of who you are.
Well, other people try to deny you of it too.
Wow.
It's like, oh, you're not really Jamaican.
Well, tell them I said bite.
Anyway, so I feel like this makes this recipe a little more special than usual, and it's like I'm learning something, and usually we're teaching, so it's fun to be on
and
this
this
side
is like deadass one of my favorite side dishes ever.
Like some of the best rice
ever.
It's amazing.
It is. And only I can cook it, so shows you how.
It's her rice, and then like our Auntie Joni's rice. Her Haitian rice. It's off the wall. It's like
you know, all hail Auntie Joni. Yes, her rice is amazing.
You got that one.
Yeah, we got a lot of amazing cooks. We gotta have Uncle Fitz on the channel one day. He's
he's amazing.
Ooh, that stew peas. The vegan stew peas. Oh, we
I really want to freaking have your grandmother on it page.
Yeah, Grandma wants to film. I have like an old video of her on my phone. I still put together for like Instagram or something. But yeah, we gotta get Grandma on the channel because she's watching the channel. We see you, Grams. So I think
hi, Grandma.
Awesome to have her on a video. But yeah, so we're gonna let this rice cook for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back for the taste test. Here's the final product. Looks beautiful. So excited to try this. It's time for the taste test. Oh wow, Rashawn, hold the fuck up! Are you kidding me right now?
I'm hungry.
You're such a
Y'all behave yourselves. My God.
Little rice. So you see what he does. That's what you get. I've never seen you do this on the channel.
You have had this rice and peas too many times. You know, how was it? Is it good?
Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10.
I maybe would add a little bit more salt to my personal dish. You wouldn't?
So
this is delicious, though.
You're gonna eat it on the side of something that's salty.
That's very true.
You're gonna eat it with that.
I am used to eating this as a side.
It's
very delicious.
You're gonna eat this with some. I don't know. We're gonna have some vegan.
Oh, we're gonna have our vegan roast.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, yo, guys, make it. Just make it, and then you see what we talking about, right? Make it is good.
That's the real deal.
This is the real deal.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, Mom, for being our
Thanks, Mom.
lovely hostess today.
You're
If you all
welcome.
like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments down below what other Jamaican recipes do you want us to make for you.
We're going to do it and I'm going to eat it.
Yeah, and we can make a vegan version of anything that you're used to. So drop something in the comments if you're curious.
Subscribe,
If you
okay?
haven't
And
already.
hit that notification bell so it goes
Come on.
straight to your phone.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Deuces.